going on, everyone? RC Retro here, and thanks for checking out my channel. So the other day I was online and I was looking for, some vintage items for various projects and came across this Blackfoot body kit, and ended up going in auction for $250. Then I came across this one, which is a buy it now on eBay for $500, which is absolutely insane considering I could probably get a whole Blackfoot kit for the same price. So I got this bright idea. Why not go on to Shapeways, and thanks to Ampro Engineering, buy some 3D pieces to make my 2016 Blackfoot look like a vintage Blackfoot. So right there you see the grill, which I got from Shapeways, and I got, which I'm opening up right here, a rear window panel, which isn't the same as the original, but I got this because it adds that slight touch of realism. So I'll be focusing more on that later on in the video. But I thought that was a nice touch to add right there. And then, as we all know, the 2016 Blackfoot doesn't have the Ford badging, which I don't understand why. Probably something to do with licensing. But there's the Ford badging right there for the tailgate, the front hood, and the custom F-150 on the side of the vehicle. That goes on the side. So now there's already a video on YouTube somewhere of somebody showcasing their 2016 Blackfoot looking like a vintage Blackfoot with all the 3D printed parts on there already, and he explains everything. But the difference with my video is that I'm actually going to go through the process and show you the work being done, not just the end product. So that's the focus of my video. And I hope you enjoyed this video as well. If you're a subscriber, thank you for your support. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so this way you get the most recent notifications to when I post some new content on my channel. Thank you, everyone. besides signal lights, I'm using a very fine tip detailing brush, and I'm painting it yellow. And very quickly I realized that this wasn't the best choice. The paint was going on inconsistently and lumpy. And what you don't see in the video was me switching over to a little bit thicker of a detailing brush, which allowed the paint to go on smoother, which you can see right there. There were some bleeds though, but nothing that couldn't be fixed with a black paint marker. And this is the end product right here.